technical update on the equity markets. The Nifty has witnessed a volatile trading session today. For the first half of the trading session, it was trading in the positive. However, in the second half, it saw some selling pressure at higher levels around 81.90 on the upside, and thereafter the Nifty gave up all its gains and ended the day on a negative note for the fifth trading session in a row, down 15 points. The market breadth was though was positive with 780 advances to 684 declines. From the Nifty 50 pack, ITC, Coal India, L&T, Sun Pharma, ONGC, Lupin were closing on the positive side, while ICICI Bank, HDFC Limited, Axis Bank, Tata Motors, Infosys, TCS closed the day on a negative note. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, we can observe that after yesterday's pullback, the Nifty in the first half of the trading session saw some positive momentum on the upside. However, as the day progressed in the second half of the trading session, it gave up all its gains and ended the day on a negative note. Not a good sign for the bulls, as the Nifty is facing selling pressure at higher levels. So, as we pointed out in our earlier updates, it would be logical to go short on rise near resistances. So that should be the trading strategy that the traders should follow in the coming trading sessions as well. On the hourly charts, we can observe that the Nifty faced resistance around the 38% retracement area and the hourly upper Bollinger Band, and from there itself it has started facing selling pressure. So no real we can say no real retracement, only a small bounce back, say half a day bounce back, and the Nifty has once again started to sell off. Our strategy remains the same: sell on rise near resistances for target of 8010 on the downside. Crucial supports are placed at 8056, which is the yesterday's trading session low, and below that 8010, where we have a crucial support, or we have a trendline support, and on the upside 8191, which is today's high, and above that 8214, which is the 40-hour moving average, are crucial resistances. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty also closed in the negative today. Some of the heavyweights of Bank Nifty, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, IndusInd Bank, all closed the day on a negative note. So that was indicative on the Bank Nifty chart as well. On the chart of Bank Nifty, we can also observe that it wasn't able to previous its high of yesterday's trading session. So that indicates that there is extreme weakness, and the Bank Nifty should continue to sell off in the coming trading session. So we maintain a negative stance on Bank Nifty as well. Crucial supports for Bank Nifty are placed at 17,460 and 17,240. On the upside, 17,786 and 17,950 are crucial resistances. So overall, friends, our view on the Nifty and Bank Nifty remain negative. Today we saw a positive momentum in the first half, and the second half saw a selling pressure resume once again. So the strategy to play or the trade in Nifty and Bank Nifty to sell on rise near resistance and trade on the short side of the market. So that's all for the day. Thank you.